Welcome. We are going to see the tool named Audacity. This Audacity is a free digital audio editor which is used to edit and record the audio sounds. With this software we can record the audio sounds whatever we need, and we can integrate this with our video, right? Yeah, this is the screen of the Audacity. See, this is the software named Audacity. This software contains many number of advantages. It is a free open source software which can be used in different types of OS like Windows 98, Mac OS, Linux and other types of operating systems. We can use this software, right? Yeah. Let us see what are all the options available in this Audacity. First of all, we just want to know these are all the tools available in the Audacity software. This was the timeline which will be used to see the total number of time duration for our corresponding audio file, right? This was the menu bar. The menu bar contains file, edit, view, tracks, generate, effects, analyze and help. The file menu contains new, open, recent files, close, save project and all. Basically, our Audacity will save in the format as .aup. This refers Audacity project files. Audacity AU stands for Audacity and P stands for project files. In this format only our Audacity will be saved. .aup, right? If we give example, it will be placed as example.aup, right? After that we will go for this import option. In this import option we will be having 4 options, that is audio, labels, MIDI and raw data. In this audio we can import the audio files whatever we need, and we can import this inside our Audacity and we can edit. After that, these are all the options available in the editable bar. We just want to know this generate options. These are all some of the additional audio file. First of all, let us see. This was the pass button which can be passed during the sound is playing or recording. Then this was the play button which can be used to hear the audio sound. This was the stop button, right? And this was the record button. When we click this, the recording area will be open and we can record the sound. When we want to stop this, we can stop this. When we can play, the recording area will be open and we can record that we can use. And then let us close this. These are all some of the main area which we can use it in this Audacity. Yeah, let us see one example. First of all, let us import a audio file from our system. The audio file is, let us take this, dwellinthehouse.mp3. When you click this, the Audacity will import the mp3 file, and this was the file named Dwell in the House. Let us check whether this is playing or not. Yeah, this is playing. Let us go and see what are all the other things we have in this Audacity, what are all the effects we are going to use, what are all the things we can do with this corresponding audio file, right? This was the selection tool which will be used in Audacity. Through the selection tool we can select the corresponding area in the audio file and we can edit, right? We can cut. If we cut this, the files can be cut if we split cut, the corresponding area will be splitted. If we copy and we can paste, that is Control V, the corresponding copied area will be placed. Many number of options available in the editable area. Let us see this generate options, right? I'm just selecting this area. I'm just going for noise. If we click noise, it will ask for the amplitude, white noise, pink, brown, something, right? Let us give white noise. See, corresponding part of the song will be converted to white noise. The corresponding area is converted to white noise. Before that, see, before that it is a beautiful song, but if we give noise, white noise, it will be converted to these are all some of the additional options. We can insert the silence also here. See, the corresponding selected part is converted to silent area. Nothing will be here, everything will be silent. After that, these are all some of the main effects which we can be used in the Audacity. Let us see some of the main effects what we are using repeatedly, right? This is the amplification area. Let us go for this part. Let us go for this part because these are all some of the parts in the song, and this will be played melodiously, and the volume is somewhat less, right? Yeah. Let us give some effects for this area. Let us check. Now we are going to see how the amplification works. Now I am clicking this amplification. Yeah, the amplification window appears and it asks for the dB. The dB stands for the amplification. The unit of the amplification is the dB, and it is telling that 3.4 is the amplification area we can amplify, right? You can, when you click this button, you can add some more amplification. Yeah, now let us give the 10. The amplification value is 10. If you give, have you heard this? Before amplification, the volume is somewhat less. See how slowly, how minimum the volume is. When we gave the amplification, how the volume increases. This is the use of amplification. When we give amplification, automatically the size increases and the volume gets increased. And I just want to tell one more thing. These are all the output level meters. This was for the left channel and this was for the right channel. These are for the input level meter, that is from microphone, the left channel and the right channel, right? After that, this was one of the main thing. Change pitch. Now this area is from pitch A. Now this selected area is the A pitch, and we are going to convert this A pitch to C. Now check. The pitch got changed, right? From male voice to female voice. Before this, see, this was the male voice. This was the male voice, and this was the change of speed. If we increase the speed, the speed of the corresponding song will be increased. Have you heard this? Yeah, we can increase the speed of the corresponding audio file, and we can edit with the help of this speed. And the tempo, click removal, echo. This was one of the main part what we are using in the audio section. If we give the delay sound is 1, the echo will be heard after 1 second when the audio is played. Have you heard that? After a second, the sound will be echoed. This was the main use of the echo. And then fade in and fade out. These are all one of the main important effects what we are using in Audacity. This fade in refers from the minimal part of the sound to the increased part of the area. Let us check. See, from low to the sound will be converted to higher. It is similarly increasing, right? It is slowly increasing, steadily increasing, right? The volume will be steadily increased. This was the main use of fade in. When we give repeat, it is asking how many number of times I just want to repeat. When we give 3 times, automatically it will be repeated for 3 times. This was the first time. This was the second time. This was the third time. This was the fourth time. This was the main what we had copied. Without this, 3 times is pasted here. So totally 4 times, right? If we want to add some other song inside this audio file, let us go for a song, right? Let us open a song. This Audacity is open once again, and this Audacity is for God is able sound, right? Right? This is the another audio file. Now we are going to mix both these things. Let us copy this corresponding audio file. After selecting this, go for copy, come to our Dell in the house, click wherever we want to paste, go for edit, paste. Okay, now let us check. Are we sure? The area what we copied in the other God is able, the God is able is pasted here, and we can mix 2 number of audio songs like this. We can mix many number of songs, and we can store this as a wave or MP3. Now I'm going for a wave compression file. I'm just checking mixer audio, save. See, it is exporting as wave file, and it is got save. See, mixed audio wave. Let us play this. This for the sound. That's all in this Audacity. Like this, we can give whatever effects we need. We can use this free source software to edit, to record, and for many things we can use this. Thank you.